Hargani kejingelang ban Aiti, Jaka Tura, Jaka Intercontinental Hotels Group IHG. Lawan menishim betalang do menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma, menteri ketenat jungokai persai kejela Timothy Dishira, menteri ketenat PHE bat housing Umar Kuis and Marak, nangta Gautam Tyagi bumi kemat ke IHG, Deputy Commissioner ke District West Garo Hills Vibhor Agarwal bat kibai-kibai. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakarai bentawe ka 5-star hotel Tura. Kapani kejingi jingai jung kejela keban kenti wa ka yok kot bat bon kempoi perkat ba Tura kan yo ka 5-star hotel. Ulong ba ka 5-star hotel kamdai tangga jaga sa ka baremdor kadai ke engine jung yok kot. Ha ka bakan wanra ikijingelang kinong jung okai kijingelang jung Sorkar ba kijingelang jung company bat kani kan yarap ke yok kot hakathan. Menteri Rangba ulapan menaruh bantai ke homestay kam games village na kebentangan national games arajar arpunyo. Barapo jung nega skim kinong yo jung mentoi kini opdiang nyopo ng shispa ke subsidi. Bantai gi homestay kibelapun wandor kum gi sports hostel kat kum ga games guidelines. Kat hadian beradab kini kejingnya koap kinong yo jung mentoi kini yo ban penya jauh kini kejingtai. Ulong bagani kesenjam kan cimkia ban penbiang ya kejing duna ki jaga sa Tura jawai ha kapor ba penlong ya kejing akai rengkat ba kejing plela di kinong sengkam ban la bakin kamai kaji
myself at that very moment that if there's only one chance that I'm getting to make this decision, it's going to be a 5-star hotel come what may. And that is the reason why we had to work the whole numbers again and float the tender again. And here we are today to work with the Holiday Inn, the Intercontinental Group, to hand over the papers to have a 5-star hotel right here in Tura and in the first one in Garo Hills. So it's a great moment for us, and I really would like to congratulate the tourism department, our tourism minister, and all the other officials who have made this a possibility. Second, what does a 5-star hotel do? And a lot of people who may be critics of the government may say that we have so many other things to do, but government is building 5-star. I know there will be many people talking like that. They have the right. I have no problem with them thinking in that line. But just to share with all of you, development is not taking forward just one sector. Development is a process that builds up the entire ecosystem. Our team, and there were a lot of people who said, sir, should we take it step at a time? Why don't we start with a 4-star hotel? And just to share with some of you what it means, there's a huge difference between 4-star and 5-star. Though it's only 1-star difference, but the size of the room is different. Different facilities that come into the hotel are different. The different kind of inside the designs that are done, which require certain services to be given, are very different. And hence, once you say 5-star, it is a completely new chapter. And hence the investments goes up. This is almost a 130 crore project. And therefore, when this important decision came in front of me, that whether we will go for a 4-star because it is more viable as of now, or whether we'll go for a 5-star which may require more investment, and we don't know whether the market and the ecosystem is ready or not. And I can share with you that that moment that decision was made, I didn't have any doubt in my mind. Not because I'm the local MLA of this location, and not because I have grown up in some sense in and around this area. My house is not very far from here. But overall, I felt that we will be maybe 5 years or 10 years later, this decision will come in front of us again, whether we will go 5-star or not.
Chân